In the world of supply chain, every day is dynamic and challenge. Leader like you take a decision which is impacting to the entire organization throughout the world, starting from the production line to the customers. One Friday morning, as weekend approaching, you got a news in the morning that in one of your shipment, 2000 kilograms of heroin worth of 14,000 crore has been seized. This is not a logistical issue. This is a question for the organization's reputation and existence. This is a national security issue. Leadership in supply chain management, it is not just managing the resources. It is leading people, empowering them to innovate, take the decision and adapt when things are not going as like planned. You are not just managing the supply chain. You are building trust, you are fostering collaboration, and you are leading your team through the uncertainty to the future. In the world of supply chain, crises are inevitable, and leaders just not survive it. They transform their teams, their processes, and themselves. The question is not how to handle the storm, but it is how to lead through it. Welcome to the Executive Leadership Program for Chief Supply Chain Officers, where leaders like you, not made in peace, but in storm, where you guide your teams through.